Hey, it's James from Finney Electrical, and on today's video, we've got this lovely kitchen. It's all been ripped out. We've got the A-team on it. Let's get into this. Here we go. This is the kitchen that will be. So we've got one little artist impression, which will be this wall. So yeah, we've got a few little bits going in. So we've got a little sink going in there, a few sockets above, left, right, 4 to go in. What else we got? We've got a few appliances on this wall. To be fair, I haven't even marked it out, so I don't even know what's going in. Hayden's been marking this one out. But yeah, we've got a double oven, little American fridge, freezer, hob, a couple of sockets to go above. So we'll have to rip all that out and get the cables in to facilitate that. So we've got a cool LED strip going in here then. So like midway between there, we've got like a little halo, if you want to call it, halo light of recessed LED strips. So we're going to install that. And then we've got some downlights going in. So we've got 6 in this section, and then we've got 4 just dotted around here. So it's been nice and bright in here. Right then, first things first then. So the lads have already wired this up, because they've beat me to it before I could even film this video. But yeah, so we've got 6 downlights wired in already. So what's the measurements then? So we've got 113, 113, 113, so it's nice and equal, pushing out that way. So it should be nice and bright, shining on this section. Also got these cabinets going floor to ceiling, coming out 600. And over here, this will be some LED strip coming out. So I think we'll wire the lights next then. So we've got a 4-gang switch which will be going in, doing the downlights for the dining room, downlights for the kitchen, undercabs, and the LED halo. So I have to chop in a little square here, a rectangle here then. We've already got a feed in, which is permanently have a neutral, and we'll have to send some cables out then for those spots. LED strip coming in and out, and then a cable to a secret driver position. We'll have to figure out where that goes, and then some low voltage cable going up to his LED strip, ready for soldering. Oh, the customers are there, June. We've got the jammy donuts. What have we got? Jammy donuts by Sainsbury's. We've got the chocolate chip, sausage roll each. Life is good, beautiful skies. All we're doing now is just basically like the cables come out of the fuse board and come up into here as a ring. There's loads of stuff between that needed to be ditched off. So we've just disconnected that part of the ring. So we'll have to extend from here to his new points, pick up the garage and extend back. Everything will work. Jobs are good. Same again for this side, that's the ring here. So we'll check that. So there's 2 cables coming in. So let's have a look there. Let's do a little schematic. Here's your fuse box. Here's your cable running around, which is this. Yeah. So runs in and out. Here's your sockets along the rig. There we go. Nice crude drawing. So all we've done is chopped it. Which is over there. Obviously, all this is the dead stuff, which is run between. So we're going to ditch all that off, and then we're going to run fresh then to some new sockets. So we'll come out, we're going to extend this cable out to a socket, out to a socket, out to a socket, and then back in to that ring. So this is the rig of both ends. So let's extend one cable all the way around and back. There we go, nice little description of how that works. So we're doing the same here then. So we'll have to split that ring, attach the new cable to one, extend it to what we need, and then back. So that'll be the sockets then. So on the drawings then, we've got we're going to come 300mm away from here, so we'll end up with a socket about here, we'll end up with a socket here, we'll end up with a socket, I think they want another 2 put in, I think it was there and there, and then we've got the light switch near the door over here. So they'll be all rectangles, all at 1200 or whatever, all the way nicely fresh across. So that will be the sockets. We've also got to pick up, so we'll have to come up into the ceiling, right, through and pick up this socket, this back door, and this socket down here. Back. So that will be all the power. And then what have we got? We've got a double oven to power up. So we'll have to send the cable from the fuse box just to the other side of here. So we can actually, there's some trunking that goes all the way into that cupboard. So we can actually send it from the fuse board, drill through the wall, and the cable can come out here. You're not going to see any of this because it'll pop out the back of this unit. So we'll run that along the back, into the back of this cupboard, or this top of this cupboard, and then a little 45 isolator and power up that double oven. And then I think that's about it. We'll have extractor to wire in into the back of the cupboards. I think that's it for this side. This side, appliance wise, we've got an integrated dishwasher. So again, we'll leave a leg out at the back of this cupboard probably, which will do the cooker tap, which will do the integrated dishwasher, washing machine. So we'll need 2 sockets in the back of there, and that will. Oh, that's all she wrote really for the power. So that's what we'll do next. done, Matt, is wind up these the LED strip for the downlights. The lads have chopped out the boxes. Look at that laser level that I'm getting in the way of. So yeah, what we're doing then, we're going to hide the driver just because, you know, these LED strip, I'm not sure how high the cupboards are going. I want to try and hide the LED strip somewhere else, I think. Undecided. So, but yeah, we're going to hide the driver for this then. So, like this downlight position. So we've got a kitchen downlight there. We've got 24 volt LED strip for the roof, which will be that section. And then we've got a cable which is going to go into that, called LED strip, roof lantern or whatever, what you want to call it. Builder called it Halo, so yeah, I'll get that cable in now. And that'll be it. That'll be the lighting done, I think. I made a bubble. If you can hear me, so they're cracking on with the sockets then. So let's sort of back out with the LED strip. Between the middle here and coming through a corner because it's like chicken joint. Not a clue what happened there, so we lost loads of footage. So let's show you how that project went. But yeah, at the moment we're just having a little holiday. So we're in the latest streets. I thought I'd show you a little view from our little apartment in Middle of Keswick. So it's been doing loads of walks. I know this is a bit of a dramatic cut from me being in a little bubble and showing you how the electrics are working. To me sat in some random cottage, but here we go. So let's show you the job then. So this is how it turned out then. So look at that. So if we can press play. So nice little hub went in. You saw the electrics went in down here. So there's cables for the hob here. There's cables for the double oven and the little fridge. That's that side then, and then there's some under cabinet strip that went in. Ah, it's annoying how that footage went, but yeah, this is what it looked like then. So nice galley kitchen. Those downlights that you just saw us wire up. In this spotlight is where we did the LED connection for this LED strip. I don't think you can even see it on here, but you can see it's like a little halo effect around the tops. So they look pretty cool. And then obviously we've got all them sockets in line, looking perfect. So they look great. Obviously keeping 300mm away from the sink edge. So it met building regs, but yeah, you had a socket here, socket and light switch all in a line. And when you look down it looked proper cool. Everything looks great. What else we got? And that's just like a little close up then. Got some nice herringbone flooring in, which looks absolute mint, and they got it perfectly to line up straight down the middle of the room, which landed in the middle of the new doors that went in, so it looked absolutely awesome. I've got another shot there then of the undercabs. So basically the kitchen fitter routed it in. So we had to just cut that exact and then get it. It was like a push fit, so it was like a friction fit. So it was that tight. You just literally like tapped it in, and it went, and it couldn't pull out. So yeah, nice job. Some of it was not routed as it should have been, but yeah, we basically put like a silicone clear bead on the back of it, stuck it up, and then obviously once that's set, it's not budging anyway as well. But they actually routed up the side of the panel all the way to the top, like a little groove, which didn't appear in the cupboard. And then once you put your side panel on, you didn't see that. It was just enough for like the little cable. It was like a little tiny 0.75 cable, which went down there, ready to connect onto here. So, but yeah, nice little job, nice tasty job in the end. Yeah, I'll send these over to Josh then actually, so you can get a better view than looking at my laptop. That's all the pictures we got as well. So it was a bit of a rush, that one. So someone else second fixed it. I just went and just got the pictures at the end. But yeah, that's looking great. So the customer race on that one, they kept bringing us like sausage rolls and donuts and all sorts. We're like, here you go lads, and we're just absolute tucking in. But yeah, nice little job that one. So you saw we got the cables in for the downlights then. So then we went back to that switch location. We saw Haydan chiseling out. What else were there? So there were downlights. There was 6 in the kitchen area, 4 around the lantern. There was the LED strip we had to solder in and stick in, and then get the profile lid on. That looked like a little halo at night, shine up through the roof lantern. That looked really cool. And then we had the under cabinet lights, which took ages actually, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There was 5 sections we had to cut perfect, so you didn't have any gaps on the end. And then it was friction fit, so you had to fit perfectly as well. So yeah, that was an interesting one, shall we say. But yeah, so hopefully I've gleaned a little bit out of this episode where the footage has gone missing. So I'll be announcing the Millie downlight winner this week. I'm going to film it tomorrow, I think. I'm going to try and get like a cool location where I can go. All the people have entered on Instagram, so they basically took that post, tagged Electrician in. They have, what else they've done? Tagged Electrician in, liked the post, shared it, and that's it, they've entered. So a few people have actually done that. Some people just liked it randomly and not actually entered by not sharing it and tagging someone in. So we've got a few entries in there, which is cool. So we'll have to announce that of those who entered and produce a winner. So there was 10 downlights to be given away. There was the t-shirt, one of them I wore, and then there's some like stickers and bits. So I'll dish it out. The 10 downlights and a t-shirt will be a winner, and then I'll just dish out the other bits to other people who've entered, just so at least they've got a constellation prize. If that's it, constellation? Yeah, we'll go with that. So there we go. So if you like this kind of content, then hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification so you know when next upload. So as always, have a good one from me, and I'll see you on the next one.